Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to promote Clickbank products for beginners. And you're not going to need any following, okay? So you're going to do it with no following. So this is for you. So let's get started right now. First, you're going to use Clickbank, of course, and you're just going to create a new account here. It's very simple and free, and there's not much you need to do to get an account. You just got to fill out the information, and then you're going to hit this affiliate marketplace. This is where you're going to find all the affiliate products, all the digital affiliate products for this network under this page, because look at the menu. You have all sorts of affiliate products in here, and these are all digital products, which means that one, you're gonna get to earn a lot more because they're digital products, so they're going to be a lot more higher profit margins for the owners of these products, so they can afford to give affiliates a lot more higher percentage. What you want to pick right now here is a niche that you want to concentrate in. And actually, you don't really need to concentrate in a niche if you're going to do this method. You could do several niches if you wish, because you're not going to need anything of your own. You're not going to need your own following. You're not going to need your own audience. So you're going to pick whatever you want to do. So but the three niches that make the most money and the most evergreen are wealth, health, and relationships. Okay, so those are the three. So I'm going to go into health and fitness, and I am going to sort by gravity, guys. Okay, the gravity is going to give you the product that's selling the most because the affiliates are making money here. Okay, so the higher this number, the better it is. So actually, this is very high for a product. The second one is pretty good too. This is healthy diabetes remedy. So you could take either of these products that are proven to be selling. So anything over 50 gravity, it means it's selling. So anyone on this first page is above 50 gravity. But when you have something like this, it means that it's highly converting, and that means also that they probably have very good affiliate information that you can use. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab your link. So once you log in, you can grab your link and use either the default link or this written sales version. Once you generate the link, then you can just go to the page to see what it is like. Before you promote things, you should see what you're promoting, okay? So you just click promote. Okay, so once I have my link over here, this is my affiliate link. So this is the link that anyone can click on and buy something, and then I get a commission. But you don't really want to use this long, nasty link, okay? You do want to go to Bitly or something like this to shorten the link. So you're going to click there and shorten and copy. And what you're going to do is this next thing you need is Facebook. So on Facebook, what you want to get is you want to search weight loss, because you're doing a weight loss product, okay? Then you're going to go into groups, and you probably want to join these groups. As the higher the number of members, the better it is, okay? So look at this, flat stomach and weight loss solutions. There's like over 300,000 people in it, and there's over 200 posts a day. So this is highly, highly engaging group. So you should definitely join this one. And anything that has a lot of posts and a lot of members, you should definitely join, okay? Don't join more than 10 a day or something like that, because then you'll get into Facebook jail, and you don't want to do that, okay? Then what you're going to do, once you join them, you could then send the admin messages. So what you're going to ask for is, how much is it for me to do a post in your group, and you pin it to the top. So it could be 24 hours, it could be a week long, it could be a month long. It just depends on what you're negotiating with the group owners or group admins. And it depends on how much money you want to spend, because obviously a 24-hour post is going to be a lot cheaper than like a month post. And just depends on if they even want you to do a whole month post. So I'm just going to go into this group for just to take a look. So it's a private group, and let's see, group by. Okay, so it's, the group by is actually a page. So you could message this page and ask them right here. There you go. I'm just going to move myself up here. And then you could ask them, you know, how much would it be for a 24-hour pin post in your Facebook group? They could say that they don't do any promo posts, or they can give you an amount. You just never know. So you just need to ask, okay? Now, then the next step you want to do is that you're going to create the post that you want them to post on there. Now, before you actually put your bit.ly link in the Facebook group, you just need to be aware of something, okay? You just need to be aware that Facebook may delete your post if you do it this way. And the admin of these groups will have nothing to do with that. So just be warned about this. So if you don't want that to happen, you want that link to be sitting on a bridge page, like on a different site, like on your own site, before people land or click on your affiliate link. Okay, so that's why Facebook don't like affiliate links. And if you post it into a group, it could stay there, but it could also be taken away. So you don't want to take that chance, okay? So in order to not take that chance, what you want to do is get a free website here. This is a platform where I started affiliate marketing at, guys, okay, in 2016. And they've taught me so well on how to do affiliate marketing that I became a super affiliate on their platform, guys, okay? And if you use my affiliate link to sign up, you will get my face on their homepage. And the link is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. When you go on here to get your free account, you will get 2 free websites with your free account, okay? Once you get your free account, you could start building a website, and it's very fast. Literally, it is so fast to create a site here. You just go to websites, and for me, it's going to be add a plus right here, but for you, it could be nothing right here, right? Because I have websites right here. So you just click the plus sign, or it says build a site maybe, and you just do this on a free domain, and then you could name your URL. So this is going to be your domain name of the website, and then this is the title of your website. So you can name it whatever you want. You could name it like that. And then you just need a design for your site, and then you just click this, and literally this is going to build a site for you in just a few seconds here, okay? It's going to be under 1 minute. Here we go, number 5. Bam, it's going to be done. Come on, there we go, see? And this is my link, guys. This is how fast it could be, okay? Now, once this is created, you want to, so this is going to be the link of your site. And once it's created, you want to log in. Once you log in, you're going to go to the back of your site. Then you're going to go to posts. You're going to delete this default post there that comes with every site. Then you just add new, and then you start typing away of what you want to say about that site, about that product, I mean. Now, you're going to go back to Clickbank, and you're going to use their information. So you're going to click on the affiliate page. So every single product on Clickbank has an affiliate page. So now you're going to just scroll through the information, and you go read about what this product does and what are the big points, and you're going to write about it on one page. So you're going to write about it on this page, and then you're going to add that bit.ly link to, so let's say that this is the Cinderella, and then you talk about the benefits and what it does, and see if you could do any testimonials. Maybe they'll provide it. Maybe the product owner has some for you to use. And then you could say, get it here, or whatever call to action you want to add. So just highlight this, and then you're going to click here, and then you're going to paste your link there. That's it. And then anyone that clicks it will go to the Cinderella product. So when you're finished, you add a title here, don't forget. And so you want a title that promotes curiosity, that somebody wants to click on, okay? And so let me bring me down here. Then you need to press publish when it's done. And when it's done, then you can now use this link, okay? The link to your post. See, so this is just a rough thing. I just did something like this very fast. And so this could be where you're going to put all the information about the product. And you could put the link several times. It doesn't have to be one time. It could be several times. And then you guys go and click this. When they click this, they'll go to the product. And when they buy, you get paid, guys. Okay? So if you want to make this really big business, guys, what you need to do is you really need to actually use the training that is here for yourself to learn how to build your site even better, guys, okay? And you can build your website out according to the step-by-step instructions that Wealthy Affiliate is providing you already here, okay? So this is how you can build an affiliate website and promote tons and tons of Clickbank products on here. And what you're going to learn here is that you're going to build it in a way that's very powerful. It's going to attract its own visitors from search engines, guys, okay? So you're going to be making passive income from Clickbank this way, okay, guys? So again, my affiliate link is workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama. And if you sign up with me, guys, you're going to get my bonuses sent to your profile. So you could look up for that. And if you're really serious, you need to upgrade to premium so you know you get all the lessons and all the information that you need to build out your online business in affiliate marketing properly and promote all the Clickbank products that you want on there, guys, okay? And that is the proper way to do affiliate marketing. I cannot stress this enough, guys. And you know what? Also, when you have a website, you can provide value. So you could talk about weight loss and talk about how many times or how many different things of how to do weight loss, okay, on many different ways, that avenues that you can provide value to your audience. And if you build a website like this, you do need to specify what niche you want to go into. In the beginning, I said you don't need to do choose a niche because you were just going to go into Facebook groups. But if you are going to build a site, it is very, very, very recommended that you stick to a niche and you stick to that for per website. You don't do several niches on one website, okay? So that's a little tip for you, okay, guys? All right, I hope you liked this video today, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online. And also, please hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, okay, guys? I can't wait to see you in the next video. All right, bye.